Yo, 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 you just landed on IQS. Are you ready for the challenge? Today's game is Guess the Animal by the Emojis. We've got 15 emoji puzzles for you, and you've got only 10 seconds to solve each one. Every correct answer earns you 1 point. So, do your best and see if you can reach a perfect score. All right, don't forget to subscribe. And now, let's kick things off in 3, 2, 1, go. What animal do you think this is? A goldfish. Which animal pops into your head? An ostrich, the giant bird that cannot fly. That's a panther. Any ideas from these emojis? Correct, it's a bumblebee. Do you know this animal? It's a bat. You're doing great. What might this animal be? It's a rabbit, fast, fluffy, and adorable. It's time to test your animal knowledge. That's a camel, the desert traveling expert. Can you figure out this one? A bluebird. What animal do these emojis suggest? A raccoon, the masked little troublemaker. This is a bulldog. Can you name this mystery animal? Perfect guess. It's a flying squirrel. Ready for another emoji challenge? Oh, a goat. Take your best guess. What animal is this? Of course, it's a horseshoe crab. Hooray, a mouse. This one is a royal cobra, fierce and super dangerous.